So the year of 2021 has started on a note of hope, the hope of ending coronavirus and ending this pandemic. Two vaccines which have gotten the approval in India for emergency use. Nabila Jamal now compares these two vaccines that have been given emergency authorization.
We've got the best news ever. India has finally got its own vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin. It's got a nod from the Drugs Controller General of India, which brings us immense cheer this New Year's and, of course, big relief to 1.3 billion people across the country. Covishield, which is developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University, is given in 2 doses. It has an overall efficacy rate of about 62%. But as per experts, if the 2 doses are given 3 months apart, 2.5 to 3 months apart, then the efficacy rate is better. Whereas Covaxin, on the other hand, is indigenous, a made-in-India vaccine developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. Its efficacy rate is still not established, considering it's in the phase 3 trial stages yet. But they have vaccinated 22,500 volunteers, and based on that survey, it's found to be safe. Now we tell you why Covaxin and Covishield are the best vaccine options for India. In compared to Pfizer and Moderna, they've got to be kept in supremely cold temperatures of -70 degrees and -20 degrees Celsius respectively. And that will pose a huge logistical challenge for India. Whereas in compared to Covishield and Covaxin, they can be kept in regular refrigerated temperatures, which is between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. These vaccines have the biggest advantage. They are produced locally. Covishield is produced in Pune by the Serum Institute of India, whereas Covaxin is produced and manufactured in Hyderabad at the Bharat Biotech facility. And this immensely brings down the production cost, making these vaccines a lot more cost effective. Raising the question, how much do these vaccines really cost? Adar Poonawala, Serum Institute CEO, says that the overall cost of 1 dose of Covishield would be about $3, approximately 440 rupees, only to the government of India. He says you could also purchase it privately, maybe in the months to come, at around 700 to 800 rupees. As per Covaxin's cost, there has been no talk on it as yet, but reports suggest that Bharat Biotech intends to price it at around 350 rupees or less. And compared to Pfizer vaccine, which is priced at $20 per dose, and then you have Moderna priced at $10 to $50 per dose, literally 10 times double the amount of our Indian vaccines. Serum Institute of India says it's already stockpiled 50 million doses, enough to inoculate 25 million people in the first phase. Being homegrown vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin possess less distribution challenges, which means the current supply chain which is used to distribute other vaccines will also be used to distribute and supply COVID-19 vaccines, particularly to those rural areas that has weaker cold chain facilities. Now, these vaccines have been given only emergency use approval. That means it's only the government of India who can access it and distribute it first round to healthcare and frontline workers. And now the big question, will these vaccines be effective against the new mutated strain of the coronavirus? CEO of Serum Institute, Adar Poonawala, with conviction says yes, Covishield particularly will be effective against the new strain of coronavirus as well. We are still awaited reports from Covaxin. As per government's plans, 30 crore Indians will be inoculated by July, giving priority to the high-risk groups. With this, we've taken the first step towards ending this pandemic and starting off 2021 with resilience and hope.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.